A lot of the companies I work with, they could really benefit by understanding and being able to measure the texture of their food products. Texture can be related to shelf life and food quality especially. The equipment that is typically used for that process is very expensive. And because of new advances in electronics and robotics, we're able to actually build a texture testing machine very inexpensively. This is our first initial attempt to build a texture machine right here, and it really just has two pieces. This piece is the force gauge. It measures the force that's imposed on the piece of food or ag product. And then this portion right here is the actuator, and that's the robotics portion. It just moves the force gauge up and down. We use it to contact and put pressure on the food product. This texturometer can be used for a wide variety of food and ag products. Like I mentioned earlier, it can be used to help evaluate shelf life. So for example, a cookie gets stale and becomes brittle, it becomes hard. This machine can be used to test the hardness. We can put numbers to the idea of staleness. The future plans for this research project are to make it a little more reliable and a little less expensive and easy to implement. So this machine has some quirks. We understand that because we've been using it for a few months. On the second iteration, we're going to remove and kind of reduce those quirks. We're going to develop some fact sheets so that we can use those fact sheets to teach others how this thing works and how they can implement it in their factories and in their research and development programs. The impact of this research on the consumer will be to provide safer, higher quality products, hopefully at a lower price.